Okay, we're back at it again. So after the test drive, you can see, blew the Schrader valve out of there, and that came apart. There's no nuts on it. I'm going to take all of these front A-arms and wheels and everything off the front. Okay, the front A-arms are off, and I've welded them all up and ground them up and painted them. Probably paint them again because they don't look that great, but anyway, I painted the shocks as well. Here's the top A-arms. I'm just going to start putting it back together, but I got to clear off some of this mess first. Okay, here's my new setup for how I'm going to do these air shocks. I've just welded that fitting onto there. It's a BSP fitting. Got these little push lock fittings. I run in some air line. Then I'm going to have a valve for each shock individually, and then I'm going to pump air through here so I can lock off each side so the air doesn't go between the shocks and make it handle weird. Another thing I've got to do is make a brace so the bike half doesn't detach from the rest of it and kill me. So I'm going to put tag on here and run a brace across to this mount here. And there we go, those are installed now. Looks a bit stronger. So I got the brake caliper put on and the disc bolted up. It was a mission to put that on. The last test drive, this shaft must have moved forward and scraped on the frame there because I can see a wear mark in it. So I made a chain tensioner going the other way so it shouldn't shift. And I've got these brake cables that I'm trying to join together to make it up to the handle here. This one here was donated from a previous bike. I'm going to have to make something to join them together, so I'll see if I can find something. Check it out, guys. Got myself a new shed. Whoop. No, just kidding. This is Christo's shed.
I wish it was your shed.
Yeah, I do. He's got a YouTube channel as well, Fazy Luck. Check it out. We're going to be making these brake lines longer for my rear brake. So
hopefully
we'll try and figure that out. So off this old diff, we got this one piece here that I can join that line into, and then I've got another brake line I can flog off another motorbike to reach to that back caliper. So that'll be the back brake sorted out. So this little piece of brake hose, I had to weld some nuts on the end. So in order to not melt the hose, I put it inside a KFC cup. Thanks to the kernel full of water. Got my new wheels, yep. Got these rims for free, and then the tyres for free as well. Just had to pay to get them put on, but a bit of a size difference here. So these are just the front wheels, but they're going to be pretty massive. Oh yeah, she's back together. Looks cool with those big tyres on it. Just got to pump it up now and see if it all works. But I think my compressor is dead. So time for the hand pump. So sweet, got the brakes hooked up now. I've got back brakes at least. Trying to get everything ready for a test drive, but it looks like it's starting to rain, so perhaps I'll do it tomorrow. running very good, eh? Well, it's not running very good, is it?
Oh, stop. No gas.
Oh, is it?
Or is it water? No,
Water.
must be.
Well, that's what it be. It's not fuel.
No, you got a cracked hose on that.
Yeah, well, I just fixed a leak in it. I wonder if it's blowing it back out. Which one?
This one here. It's running off this hose here. Where does that go?
Yeah, before it had a leak in the same spot that I've fixed.
What's that one? Is that supposed to be off?
Oh, that's just the oil blower to the airbox. It's off, but it should be on, but it doesn't really matter. Shouldn't affect it.
Yeah, I mean coming down.
Yeah.
I was like, oh no, can he even fit?
Yeah. I didn't really fit. I just drove over it. At least I know it's stable, because that's quite an angle to be tipped on, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good test for it. I didn't even think about those things. But yeah, you run through that.
Oh, that through that way. Oh, yeah. Okay, we had a bit of a run there, but it's running really bad. I think it might be just out of fuel, but we've got a massive water leak now. We pull the water in there, so we're just going to take the tank off and see if we can fix it and go for another round. But I don't know, that might be it. Well guys, she doesn't go anymore. I think what happened is there's two of these solenoid things, and I think one of them got chopped off when the suspension came up, because in my haste I forgot to zip tie them up in there or something. So now I'm going to have to find one of those. I think it was still running quite badly, but man, everything else worked well. The suspension was really good. Didn't even try the brakes, but they don't work very good. Thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun test driving that, so see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I get it running better.